Hello from the Arlo Lab. Today we'll be walking through how to set up the custom mode in the Arlo app. In this video, we'll focus on the arm and disarm options and how to create your own custom modes. If you want to learn how to add schedules and geofencing to your custom modes, check out our other videos. Links are in the description. Let's get started. To set up custom modes for your device, you will first need to turn them on. Open the Arlo app and tap Routines. From here, tap on Modes and next tap the three dots in the top right corner. Choose Custom Modes and tap the toggle to turn the custom mode on. Hit Done, and the custom mode will appear as a fourth option under Modes. From here, tap on the icon next to Custom Mode to activate it, and next tap the arrow next to it. The arm option is already set up with default rules. It detects motion, sends you a notification, and records video if your device is attached to an Arlo Secure plan. Under When this happens, you can turn on audio detection and adjust the sensitivity for both motion and audio. Under Then do this, you can choose what the camera does when triggered. You can change the video recording length or customize the siren's duration and volume. If you want to add more actions, tap the plus icon and pick from the list. You can use the custom mode to cross-trigger actions across different devices, for example, activating the floodlight when a different camera detects motion or audio. If you want to create an entirely new custom mode for a device, go back to the main custom mode screen and tap the plus icon next to the device. Give your new mode a clear name, then set up the rules just like you did for the arm option. When you're finished, tap Save in the top right corner. To switch between modes for your device, go back to the Mode page, make sure Custom Mode is enabled, and tap on the two arrows next to your device under Custom Modes. Next, choose the mode you want to change to. Please note that custom modes and any schedule or geofence that is set up work separately from the app automations. They do not work at the same time. We hope this video answered your questions about custom modes. Make sure to check out our other videos to see how to edit and set up other custom modes, links in the description. If this helped, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Arlo tips and troubleshooting. See you in the next video.